What's up, everybody? It's Abby. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned cash disappear in the grocery aisles? I feel you. Today, we're going on a mission to conquer those checkout lines and keep more money in your pockets. Get ready for 10 ways to save money on groceries. These are the ultimate grocery hacks that'll have you saying goodbye to overpriced snacks and hello to savings. Before you even think about hitting the grocery store, we gotta talk strategy, people. Step 1 to becoming a grocery saving ninja is to make a list. I know, it sounds basic, but trust me, this is huge. When you have a list, you're less likely to fall into the trap of impulse buys. You know those tempting treats strategically placed at eye level? We're not falling for their tricks anymore. A shopping list is your secret weapon against overspending. Write it down, stick to it, and watch those savings add up. Okay guys, get ready to become coupon kings and queens. Coupons aren't just for extreme couponers, they're for everyone. We're talking about saving some serious dough here. Check out websites, apps, and even those little coupon dispensers in the grocery store aisles. You can find coupons for everything from your favorite snacks to everyday essentials. Don't be afraid to stack those coupons too. Sometimes you can combine manufacturer coupons with store coupons for maximum savings. It's like a discount party in your wallet. Alright people, let's talk bulk buying. Now, I'm not saying you need to buy a lifetime supply of toilet paper, but stocking up on non-perishable items you use regularly is a game changer. Think rice, beans, pasta, canned goods. All those pantry staples. Buying in bulk might seem more expensive up front, but when you break it down per unit, you're actually saving a ton in the long run. Plus, you'll have fewer trips to the grocery store, which means even more savings. Think generic brands, the unsung heroes. Listen up, brand loyalists. I'm here to tell you that generic brands are where it's at. Seriously, don't be afraid to venture into the world of store brands. In most cases, you're getting the same quality product at a fraction of the cost. Those big-name brands spend a fortune on marketing and advertising, and guess who ends up paying for it? That's right, you. So, ditch the brand names and give generic brands a try. Your wallet will thank you. Don't shop hungry. We've all been there. You walk into the grocery store on an empty stomach, and suddenly, everything looks delicious. Before you know it, your cart is overflowing with chips, cookies, and enough frozen pizza to feed a small army. That's why it's crucial to never shop hungry. When your stomach is rumbling, your brain can't think straight, and you're more likely to make impulse purchases. Eat a healthy meal or snack before heading to the grocery store, and you'll be amazed at how much more in control you feel. Become a price comparison pro. Alright folks, let's talk about the art of the price comparison. Don't just settle for the first price you see. Take a few extra seconds to compare prices between different stores in your area. And don't forget about online shopping. Sometimes, you can score even better deals online, especially for bulk items. A little bit of research can go a long way in saving you some serious cash. Here's a little secret to saving money on produce. Buy in season. Fruits and vegetables are at their peak freshness and most affordable when they're in season. Plus, they just taste better. Check out your local farmers markets for the best deals on seasonal produce. You'll be supporting local farmers and saving money at the same time. Loyalty programs, your ticket to savings. Most grocery stores have loyalty programs these days. And let me tell you, they can be a goldmine of savings. Signing up is usually free and easy, and you'll start earning points or discounts on your purchases. Many loyalty programs also offer personalized coupons and deals based on your shopping habits. It's like having a secret stash of savings just for being a loyal customer. Meal planning, a grocery saving masterclass. Meal planning might sound a bit extra, but trust me, it's a game changer for saving money on groceries. Before you head to the store, take some time to plan out your meals for the week. Check out your grocery store's weekly flyer for sales and specials and build your meals around those discounted items. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce food waste, which is a win-win. Ditch the prepackaged foods. Those prepackaged meals and snacks might seem convenient, but they can really put a dent in your budget. Buying whole foods and preparing them yourself is almost always cheaper. Plus, you'll know exactly what's going into your food, which is always a good thing. You did it. Time to celebrate the savings. There you have it, 10 epic grocery hacks to save you a ton of money. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving. So put these tips into action and watch those savings start rolling in. If you enjoyed these grocery saving tips, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content.